Good morning. We will start session 3 on chapter men's addition. So we'll begin with the next exercise. It's again based on areas and perimeter of the given plane figure. So here it's more about trapezium and quadrilateral and rhombus, what we just see here. The shape of a top surface of a table is a trapezium. Now here you need not draw a table, but instead you can draw a trapezium for this. Given here, this is 1.2 meter and this is 1 meter, where the height is given as 0.8 meter, right? So this will consider as A and this will consider as B, and H is equal to. First one, find the area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter. Let the parallel sides be A is equal to 1.2 meter and B is equal to 1 meter and height is 0.8 meter. Area of the table, that is area of trapezium. What is the formula? Half height of A plus B, where A and B are the parallel sides. Half into 0.8 of A, 1.2 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 fours are 0.4 into 1.2 plus 1, 1.2 plus 1. When we consider, we write 1 here, children, because it is understood as 0.0 before decimal. What we have to write? 2.2. So 0.88 meter square. Area of the trapezium is 0.88 meter square. We will go with the next one. Area of a trapezium is given. The length of one of the parallel side is 10 and height is 8. Find the other parallel side. So formula I keep as it is here. Trapezium I keep as it is here. So let the parallel sides be A and B, where A is given as one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter and B parallel side we have to find. Height is 4 centimeter and area is given. This is the formula. I'll consider A as 10 centimeter, where B I have to find out and height is 4 centimeter. Area of trapezium is given as 34 centimeters square. 34 is equal to half into 4 of 10 plus B. 2 ones are 2 twos are, bring 34 down. 34 by 2 is equal to 10 plus B. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. B is equal to 17 minus 10. B is equal to 7 meter. It is given in terms of centimeter. The length of the other parallel side of a trapezium is 7 centimeter. We'll move to the next one. Sums are very simple, children. So there are around 11 sums. We'll divide the exercise into half. I'll not hurry up in completing the exercise. We'll go a bit slow. So we'll make this exercise into 2 sessions. The next one. Third one, the length of a fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. So ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48, CD is equal to 7, AD is equal to 40, find the area of the field and side AB is perpendicular to side BC. This is perpendicular. AB is perpendicular to side BC. Okay, they have given the figure. Let's stick to that. So this is the figure given. So this is A, B, C and D. We'll repeat once again. if BC is 48 meter, CD is 17 meter, AD is 40 meter, this is perpendicular, so this itself is height here now. Okay, this itself is height. This is A and this is B. So first of all, let us first write according to what we know. Let the parallel sides be A and B, where A is equal to 40 meter and B is equal to 48 meter. AB is equal to height, that is what we don't know, we have to find. Apart from that, they have also given that the length of the fence of a trapezium field is 120. Length of the fence is nothing but fencing is 4 sides. So perimeter is 120 meter. What we have to find? We have to find AB is a perpendicular side. Find the area of the field. Find AB the perpendicular side parallel to side AD and BC. Right? To find AB, it's very simple. We'll use perimeter. Perimeter is equal to what? Sum of all the sides. Is equal to, can I tell? AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. 120 is equal to AB as it is, I'll write. BC is 48, CD is 17 plus AD is 40. So 120 is equal to AB plus 48 plus 40 is 88 plus 17, you get 105. AB is equal to 120 minus 105, where AB, that is nothing but H, is equal to how much? 15 centimeter, or meter it is? Meter. AB height we found out here. Using this, can we find area of trapezium? It will be very simple now. Area of trapezium. Formula is half height of A plus B. So half height is how much? 15. How much is A? 40 plus 48. Half into 15 into 88. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, and 2 fours are. So answer will be 44 into 15. When you multiply, you get 660 meter square. This is the formula to find, not formula, sorry. This is how we find area as well as the given side. We'll move to the next one. As I have told, it's very simple, provided you know the correct formula and how to apply it here. That is why I made you all write the formulas first here in this chapter and then start with this. The next one, the diagonal of the quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter. So they have given a quadrilateral, which is, that's what I told you, how the quadrilateral is given, senior children. I have told you, remember, if the quadrilateral is given, they will make sure that it is divided into 2 triangles and its respective height will be given. So this quadrilateral diagonal is there, height is given for both, base is common. So area of a quadrilateral is nothing but area of triangle 1 and triangle 2. So area of triangle 1 and 2 I will write here. So the diagonal is in the shape of the diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 and perpendiculars dropped from the remaining opposite vertices are given. Find the area of the field. So triangle 1, height h is equal to 13 meter, base is equal to 24 meter. In triangle 2, this is just for our assumption given. height is equal to 8 meter and base is equal to 24 meter. Area of quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. So here when I write half into base into height plus half into base into height. Substitute the values. Half into base. Base is how much? 24. Height is how much? 13. Plus. Here also half into 24 plus 8. See, you can cancel here. You can do that. But much simple what you know here is take common. What is common? Half into 24 is common. 13 plus 8. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So 12 into 13 plus 8 is 21. So answer what you will get here is 252 meter square. See what I could have done this. 2 ones are 2 12s are 12 into 13 and again 2 ones are 2 12s are 12 into 8 again adding. Rather than this is very simple. As I told you, try taking common wherever possible. You will get a simple answer. Next one, fifth one. It's always important to draw and write what is given. That's more important to understand the sum. The diagonals of the rhombus are given. So let's consider a small rhombus whose diagonals are D1 and D2. So D2 is 12 centimeter and diagonal 1 is 7.5 centimeter. Let the diagonals of rhombus be D1 that is equal to 7.5 centimeter and D2 that is equal to 12 centimeter. Area of rhombus. Formula half D1 D2. Half into 7.5 into 12. Right? 2 ones are 2 6 are 75 into 6 is 450. So we will write this as 45 centimeter or meter square. It is centimeter square. Area of rhombus. Now look at the next one. Even here it is area of rhombus, but if you remember I had given you two formulas for area of rhombus, right? Yes, let's start with it. Find the area of rhombus whose sides, let me first draw. Okay. Find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter. Side is along nothing but base, our assumption. Okay. Whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4 centimeter. Now altitude I will draw here. It's a perpendicular. That is how much? 4.8 according to them. Oh no, altitude will be with respect to base, or here we can draw. Yes. So altitude is 4.8. Find and one of its diagonal D1 I will consider as 8 centimeter. Find the length of the other diagonal. Area of the rhombus formula when base and the side is given, side and the altitude is given. So let D1 is equal to 8 centimeter. Base, that is nothing but side, is equal to 5 centimeter. D2 you have to find out. Altitude is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Formula: area of rhombus when base and altitude is given. Base into altitude. So base is how much? 5. Altitude is 4.8. 48 5s are 240. So it is 24.0, that is 24 centimeter square area. Keep this as it is. Area we found out, but we want diagonal there. Use again the same formula. Area of rhombus is equal to, again don't use base into altitude. Now use half d1 into d2. Why? What is area of rhombus? 24. Half. What is diagonal 1? 8. Diagonal 2 you have to find out. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Diagonal 2 is equal to 24 by 4. 4 1s are 4 6 are. Diagonal 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. That is how you find this. Understood here the formula? When to use this base into altitude? Use the same area for D1 and D2 and find the diagonal. So there we complete 6 sums in this exercise. Remaining 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 we will do that in tomorrow's